Offline targeted advertising to take people directly to your short video page with your offer to get more customers. Hi, my name is Bill Hayden. This is like having your own page one Google advertising with no competition because you bypass Google, Facebook, YouTube, and all the other distractions. Not only that, you can change your offer anytime without changing the sign right from your computer. It works for postcards, business cards, door hangers, bumper stickers, t-shirts, coffee cups, hats, almost anything you can think of. And now you can make 80% monthly recurring income from your short video page, and I will set it up for you no charge. You can make 80% monthly recurring income. That's the highest recurring income anywhere, and even get paid weekly from a company that's debt free, in business over 10 years, has paid out over $7 million, and it's not multi level marketing. When someone clicks your link at the bottom of your page to learn more, they can do the same thing too. Click the link now at the bottom of the page. It's free to see how it works. Then text or call me if you have any questions, or if you want to get your own short video page and start getting paid to advertise your own business. Thank you for listening.